Master Guo, 5 ways to talk about past experiences in Chinese. Have you ever been to China? In Chinese, we say,
你去过中国吗？
But wait, what is little word Guo doing there? It's not the same as le, and today I'll show you exactly why. If you watched my last video, you already know how powerful le is. Now it's time to master another magic word, Guo. Used to talk about past experiences, things you've done before. Usage 1. Talking about the past experiences. Use Guo to say if you've done something before and experiences, not just a completed action. Let's see example. 我去过北京 I've been to Beijing. 他看过那部电影 He's seen that movie. Guo shows you've experienced it before, not necessarily recently. Use it 2. Saying I've ever before. To say you haven't had that experiences yet, use 没有过. Let's see examples. 我没去过日本 I've never been to Japan. 他没吃过火锅 He's never eaten hot pot. Don't say 不去过 That's incorrect. Use it 3. Talking about past experiences that no longer continue. Use 过 to describe something you did before but not now. Let's see example. 我学过法语 I studied French before but not anymore. 她住过上海 She used to live in Shanghai. Usage 4. Combining 过 and le. Sometimes you will see both 过 and le in one sentence. That's when you describe an experience that happened before and had just finished. Let's see example. 我看过那本书了 I've read that book already. Here, 过 is mean experience. Le is mean completion or now situation. Usage 5. Common mistakes learners make. Using 过 for a single completed action. Like 我吃过午饭了 Not quite right now if you mean I just ate. Instead, you use 我吃了午饭 Remember, le is like completed action, 过 like life experience. Let's see review quickly. 过 you've experienced it before. 没有过 it means never done before. Le finished action. 过 plus with le already experienced or completed. And that's it. You've mastered 过. Now you can sound more natural when talking about your life experiences in Chinese. If you want the next video about 吃, comment below. More please Alice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Chinese lessons every week.